Well, hello, my whimsical family. It's your Jamaican girl, Norleen, and it's Sunday morning in the kitchen. So join me in the kitchen while I will be doing for you another authentic Jamaican meal. Welcome, family and friends, to my kitchen. Now, people in the Caribbean, you see this breadfruit. We have it in abundance. So, my breadfruit has been ripe, and guys, I use my spoon to scoop it and add it to my blender with some onions, some garlic, and a little piece of ginger. Now, guys, I'm gonna blend this until my onion is incorporated in the breadfruit mix. If you are a new subscriber, welcome, 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 and thanks for joining the Wims family. Please like my video, save my video to your favorite playlist, and at the end of the video, please share my channel with your friends and encourage them to subscribe. Remember, follow me on other social media sites at Wim's Kitchen. All right, family and friends, the other ingredients that I will be using are some blend of powdered season and dry herbs. I have some green and red blended season, quarter cup of flour, and I will combine all those ingredients into my breadfruit mix. Now, my Caribbean people are only me I talk to. You see, if ever you have your breadfruit and it get ripe on you, you're not sure what to do with it. Now know that this is an exciting and delicious meal that you can do right there in your kitchen. So people, after combining, I'll flour my hands in the corner of the bowl. I'll just pinch off enough dough to make maybe about a golf ball size. I'll roll it in a ball. Next, I will coat it in egg wash. And then, guys, I will add it to my breadcrumbs. Now, my breadcrumbs has parsley in it. And this is to give that extra flavor. Roll them nicely in some neat, decent balls. Add it to hot oil. I'm using coconut oil because I want the good, nice flavor. Then, guys, I simple lower the heat to medium and then allow it to fry until golden brown. Family and friends, you can nice up your thing and add any filling to the center. It's really up to you. I've added cheese to mine. It's time for our pickup segment. A very extra special birthday greetings goes to my Bunanana Stalin Naya, Sai, and her mom. Pick up yourself, Raymond. Love, love, love you, my sister Stacy. Happy birthday, and remember, Wims love you with all my heart. If you are celebrating an anniversary or any other extra special milestone in your life, congratulations to you. Remember, Wims love, appreciate, and celebrate you. So family and friends, you see that's the final balls. It's in the pot. Some have been brown already. People just look at this. It's like you can't get enough of this treat. Now, guys, remember that you can do this for a breakfast. You can do it as a treat with the kids, guys, and have them place their favorite filling inside. Now, guys, we just open this phone and see how good this looks. Next, guys, I place this in my toaster oven at 400 degrees for about 5 minutes, and I'll just allow this to cook right through and allow some of the oil to drain while cooking. I will take you straight to the spiritual nugget. The food for thought comes to us today from Isaiah 55 verse 8. For my thoughts are not your thoughts, neither are your ways my ways, saith the Lord. Our human minds cannot comprehend the nature of God. We cannot put God in our little box because God is bigger than that. His words declare that we can never think or imagine the wonders of God. So today, I want to reassure you that God and Him only knows what is best for you. So there it is, family and friends. It is with pleasure that I serve this with codfish and mixed vegetables. Now, guys, look how delightful and inviting this looks. I know that you will certainly try this next time you are in your kitchen. There it is, guys. Breadfruit balls, codfish, and tomato slices just for you. Thank you for for subscribing to my channel. Thank you for your likes and subscribe. And remember, turn on your post notification so as soon as I upload a video, you will be notified. It was fun having you in the kitchen with me today, where I did for you breadfruit balls, Jamaican style. I'll see you next week, where I will have for you another authentic Jamaican meal. Love, 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 love you. Mwah. See you next week, guys.